Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're shining a light on what many are calling the best Italian lights you can find, the DL6Yi Italian White Pendant Lights. This stunning fixture has captured the attention of home decor enthusiasts everywhere, and for good reason. As we explore this elegant pendant light, we'll uncover its unique design, versatile applications, and the quality that makes it stand out. So, let's get started. The DL6Yi Italian White Pendant Light is not just a source of illumination. It's a statement piece that can transform any space. Crafted with a unique imitation silk material, this light fixture embodies a modern minimalist design that blends seamlessly with various decor styles. Whether you're lighting up a cozy dining room, a stylish cafe, or a chic showroom, this chandelier adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any environment. What makes this pendant light truly special is its exquisite craftsmanship. Made from advanced iron material, it offers durability and a sturdy build while maintaining a lightweight feel. The handmade silk finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also contributes to its unique character. You can see how the light diffuses beautifully, creating a romantic and comfortable atmosphere in your space. Now, let's talk about functionality. The DL6Yi pendant light is equipped with a built-in E26 light source that provides high brightness without flickering. This means not only do you get energy-efficient lighting, but it's also easy on the eyes, perfect for those long evenings spent enjoying a meal or hosting friends. No UV or infrared radiation means your space remains inviting and safe. Versatility is another hallmark of this pendant light. Its elegant design allows it to fit perfectly in various settings, from kitchen islands and bedside tables to living rooms and even offices. You can use it in casual settings like coffee shops or more formal spaces like dining rooms and restaurants. The DL6Yi pendant light truly adapts to your needs. What's also impressive is the thoughtful design that ensures it complements any interior. The combination of its modern aesthetic and the warm glow it emits creates a captivating focal point, making it an ideal addition to your decor. Plus, it will never go out of style, thanks to its timeless elegance. And let's not forget the after-sale support. With a 30-day refund or replacement guarantee, the brand stands firmly behind their product. If you have any questions or concerns, their customer service is ready to assist you within 24 hours. That's the kind of assurance every buyer appreciates. In conclusion, the DL6Yi Italian White Pendant Lights are not just lights, they are a blend of art and functionality. From their exquisite design to their versatile application and quality craftsmanship, they truly deserve the title of the best Italian lights. If you're looking to elevate your space and create an inviting atmosphere, this pendant light is undoubtedly a fantastic choice. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, light up your life with the best.